Okay, so let's step out on the balcony and check it out. Wow. Okay, striking me is that this is a very long balcony. This is super long. Do you see how far back that is? That's it looks like it's perhaps sharing a little bit of it with not sharing it, but there's a there's a metal divider on part of it. But I think this is about, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 15 or 16 steps. That's my estimate. And wow, it's just very, very large. This is a great balcony. I love the amount of glass that's here, and I'm assuming this is going to be a bedroom that we're going to be looking into. And then y'all, look at this. Oh wow! I mean, look at these views. This is just absolutely incredible. You get to see downtown. You get to see uptown. You get to see Victory Park. I mean, this is just gorgeous. These views. This is just energizing, and such a beautiful day to be seeing this also. Over there, that's the Sinopolis, and that's Victory Park Lane, and that's where you could just walk in minutes. It's just right over there, y'all. So you can walk in minutes, and you see where the Dibs is, the store that's kind of on the the ground floor of that street. That's where there's a lot of restaurants and shops. So you're just right next to all the fun, and that's just some of it. By the way, you see over there, there's a Tom Thumb. So that's a high-end grocery store that's in the area. That's only been around about 2 years or so, and it's just right there. So you could walk to that as well, or do a quick drive if you have a lot. But that's a high-end, great grocery store that's here. I absolutely love it. Just all sorts of great things to visit and enjoy for the city. There, by the way, over there is 35 and the North Dallas Tollway, so you can get in and out quick. Over there is 360 that separates uptown and downtown. So you're just really at a central location where you can quickly get by walking or by driving to the key things that you need in your life. And on top of that, easy place to meet people. This is a place that people want to be. So let's walk back inside. And let's keep going. Oh, can't wait. Gosh, this is so gorgeous. Can't wait. So we're walking in now into the bedroom, and the ceilings are very tall. I'm loving how tall the ceilings are. This is a good sized wall. This is going to give you a lot of space to work with. You can absolutely put a TV there if you want. You can definitely put a dresser. There's plenty of this, from here all the way over there. There's plenty of space. There is looks like where you can hook up a cable or Wi-Fi right there. So you've got you've got that going over there, and then you've got this beautiful floor-to-ceiling, pretty much windows. There's a little bit of just a little bit of steel, but besides that, it's floor-to-ceiling windows. Got great views. You can even open this mini window up a little bit if you want to hear the noise and maybe feel the wind. Inside here this is a king size bed, so you absolutely have plenty of room in this bedroom for a king size. You have kind of a cutout spot already there for a nightstand. So the carpet in here is real pleasant. It's brownish. It's pleasant. It would really go with anything. This is it's got just a wonderful feel. And one thing I am just noticing is it has some. I like this. So the ceiling fan can be adjusted based on that. That's really cool. And then the light turns off and on based on that. So love that little nicety. Okay, now let's go to the bathroom, and I can't wait to see the bathroom. Oh yes, we're seeing more of that. I'm just all over that flooring with the smooth stones there on the bottom, and just in this wood-like shower. This is just gorgeous. That would just be so fun. That would be so relaxing to take a shower in there and enjoy. This is a nice sized tub that's here, and it's also got the wood style surrounding it. Let's see. Here is it's dual sinks. You can see it. So dual sinks and plenty of cabinets under here. So that's all good. And then of course it's got a huge mirror there with those pretty lights, over there. So that's gorgeous. And then let's walk into the closet. The closet is a great size. It's very pretty. Lots of space. It's got those built-ins in the corners, so that gives you a lot to work with there. And it's got, let's see, one shelf, 2 shelf, 3 shelf, 4 shelf, 5 shelves, I guess. And so a good amount of space. And it's kind of almost like a stoplight, sort of octagonal. Not quite 8 size, but and I was able to walk in, so I've got about 3 steps in. So great feeling here. Absolutely love this. Very, very pretty. Very nice. Just gorgeous. Okay, so let's walk back out here. And now we're going to go in and see that second bedroom. So let's see it. So the second bedroom is, okay, so this has a really nice main wall that's rather large, and that is a king. So you've got enough space for a king in here as well. I love the backboarding there. Not sure if it comes with that or not, but that's so cool. I love that